Have you heard about the benefits of a flipped classroom approach, but you're not sure how to go about it? Looking for some top tips to get you on your way? Keep watching. If you like this, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I make a new video every week. If we're meeting for the first time, I'm Jo Gakonga. I've been teaching English since 1989, training teachers on CELTA and MA TESOL courses for over 20 years. And I've got a website at elttraining.com where I make video-based material for language teachers from pre-CELTA to much further down the road. As you probably know, because it isn't new now, the flipped classroom approach means giving your learners input, usually in video format, before class so that you've got more time for collaborative, creative use of the language in class. For example, you might give them some vocabulary or functional phrases to learn before class and then use pair work, group work, role play, discussion for them to use that language in an authentic way in the classroom where you're there as a teacher to support and correct error. One of the reasons that you might not have tried this is that you're worried about the video aspect of it. Of course, you don't have to make your own videos. You can use ones that other teachers have made on YouTube or other parts of the net. But your learners will really appreciate seeing you, their teacher, in the pre-class tasks. You can make sure they're getting input that you want them to get. And the great thing about video is that once it's made, it's got a long shelf life. It's definitely reusable. Are you interested? Great. But remember that as with all learning, you want your learners to be interested too. So let me give you 3 tips for making video engaging. Number 1, keep your videos short. 3 to 5 minutes is enough. More than that, and they probably won't watch it, but it's amazing how much you can pack into 5 minutes. And if you want a guide, we speak at about 150 words a minute. So that's a maximum of 750 words. Number 2, add words and images to your video. Remember that it's a visual medium, so add keywords over the video or images that help them to understand. And number 3 is keep your videos moving. Making videos where you just talk over a static image or a PowerPoint slide aren't going to be very engaging. So show yourself talking and be animated, or include other video or GIFs to keep your learners interested and learning. I hope this helps. And if you're thinking that video could be a skill that you want to develop and monetize, then check out my Video Creation for Educators program. Have fun with a flipped approach and good luck.